If you also want to install a completely maintenance-free solar system at your home, then you should choose a solar system with a lithium battery. Today, many lithium battery inverters are available in the market. So, you can easily install an inverter and battery combo from almost any brand at your home. But you should choose a brand whose inverter supports solar panels. You cannot simply connect an external solar charge controller to the inverter and battery and charge it. You need an inverter that already comes with a built-in solar charge controller. For example, the UTL Lion 1200 model. It is a 1 kVA inverter. It can handle up to 1 kilowatt of solar panels. It comes with a 1280 watt-hour lithium battery. So, if your load is around 500 to 600 watts, this inverter is a perfect choice. It can easily run a 500 watt load for about 2 hours on battery backup, and with solar panels, it can run your home load for around 7 hours. This inverter costs around 32,000 rupees. If you install 1 kilowatt of solar panels, you can easily get TopCon technology solar panels for around 18 rupees per watt. Apart from that, the mounting structure will cost around 5,000 rupees. So, this complete combo will cost around 56,000 rupees. But there is one important thing you should keep in mind. This combo is suitable for people who want to run a 500 watt load for only about 2 hours on battery backup, or for those who mainly want to run their load during the daytime for around 8 hours with solar power. If you need to run a higher load or want longer battery backup, then you should customize your system. In that case, you should buy the inverters separately and buy the battery separately. Because if you buy a combo with a built-in 2.5 kWh lithium battery, it becomes quite expensive. The inverter alone costs around 65,000 to 70,000 rupees. Instead, it is better to build your own combo. You can choose a lower capacity inverter and a higher capacity battery. This way, you can build your system within a better budget. If you want a system with one external battery, then the UTL 1650 is a good inverter. It supports lithium batteries. It also supports up to 1.5 kilowatts of solar panels. Right now, you can build a 1 kilowatt system with it. In the future, you can upgrade it to 1.5 kilowatts. You just need to add one more solar panel. If you use a 12.8 volt 100 amp hour battery with it, then its battery capacity will be equal to the built-in battery model from UTL that we discussed earlier. However, you should choose a 200 amp hour battery. Only then will you get the real benefit, because you will have much more backup. A 12.8 volt 200 amp hour battery costs around 35,000 to 40,000 rupees. With this battery, you can run a 500 watt load for around 4 hours. In fact, it can run for slightly more than 4 hours. The solar panel cost will remain around 18,000 rupees. The structure cost will be around 5,000 rupees. So, the total cost of this combo will be around 72,000 to 75,000 rupees. Now you have two combo options. You can choose the built-in battery model, but it has limited backup. You will get less battery backup. Or you can choose the external battery model, where you will get almost double the battery backup. In the future, you can also replace the battery. With the built-in battery model, you cannot increase the battery capacity later. Even if you replace the battery, you will have to install the same capacity battery. But with the external battery model, you can install a smaller or larger battery according to your needs. So, I hope you now understand how much it costs to install a 1 kilowatt solar system with a lithium battery. If you still have any questions or suggestions, then please leave a comment in the video comment section. That is all for today's video. Thank you.